1918, Mount Saint Helens in Washington State, USA, erupted with a force that shocked the world. This catastrophic event, a stark reminder of nature's raw power, dramatically reshaped the surrounding landscape. The eruption of Mount Saint Helens was a result of the ongoing collision between the Juan de Fuca plate and the North American plate. The pressure from this collision led to a buildup of magma beneath the volcano, which eventually erupted with explosive force. The blast flattened forests, melted glaciers, and sent a plume of ash and gas high into the atmosphere. The eruption of Mount Saint Helens serves as a powerful reminder of the destructive potential of volcanoes and the ever-present forces shaping our planet.